Yan, hi guys! Good evening, good day, at kung anong oras man at araw sa inyong lahat. So, another food adventure that we are going to make now. Pupunta kami sa Jack O's Burger. So, this is located in Laonglaan. Isa rin to sa mga trending, no? Na usually binablog ng mga vlogger. So, titingnan natin guys, no? Yung mga pagkain nila doon later on. So, I'm going to show you later on. Samahan nyo kami guys. Dito na tayo. Yan guys, nandito na kami sa Jack O's Burger. And, ayan, unfortunately, hindi pa kami nakapasok dahil puno pa sila. Yan, but to give you an idea, meron silang mga a la carte na order, and then you can also have your unlimited burger na $249 and a limited chicken wings na $249 din. So, kung gusto niyo mag-unlimited, $249, pero if you want ng kanilang ano lang, so yung unli burgers nila, $249, burger and fries, only wings and rice, $249. Pero if you want yung a la carte nila, may mga available din sila doon. So wait lang muna tayo until for our turn. We're here na sa loob Jack O's, and we have ordered. So bawal yung sharing. So si Jed kumuha ng only wings, and then ako naman only burger. So, yung unang serving niya, kompleto yon with rice. And pag only wings with rice, pag only burger with french fries. And then afterwards, yung mga order ninyo, option nyo na kung gusto nyo pang mag-add ng rice or mag-add ng french fries. So, ang available lang for the burgers na only ay yung kanilang quarter burgers lang. Hindi pwede yung mga double quarter. So, hintayin natin yung order. So, I first ordered yung quarter pounder lang muna, and then yung chili cheese flavor na chicken. So, tingnan natin later, guys. So, yan guys, yung mga presyo dito. I-post nyo na lang para makita nyo siya. Ayan, ito yung may tsura naman ang loob ng restaurant nila, guys. So, ayan. Yan guys, dumating na yung ating quarter pounder. Ayan, thank you. Ayan. May kasama na tayong gloves. Sige, yan. And ito na yung kanilang quarter pounder. They have the french fries. And tingnan natin yung meat. Oh, okay. Masarap nung kanilang patty. Malaki. Yan. But of course, we are in a low carb. So, hinay-hinay lang tayo sa mga nila, tawag doon, sa mga buns and sa fries. No? Hindi tayo masyadong kakain yan. Pero yung importante is we prioritize on the meat. So, yan yun guys. No? At mamaya order pa tayo. Kuha pa tayo later on, no? Ng ibang burger naman. So, this is a quarter pounder. So, mag-gloves na tayo. Para masimulan natin yung burger.
Bawal makita.
Bawal daw ang sharing. So, pwede ka mo kumakain ng beef. Yung price, sige. Hindi mo masyado.
Paano yung buns?
Okay lang yan. Hindi mo makain yung buns. So, ito yung itsura ng burger nila.
No leftovers ko.
Let's see.
No leftovers.
Yeah, no leftovers. Ganda ng burger guys. Yeah. Pag natin yan. Kainin natin ito mamaya. Only with the pan. Yeah. Dumating na rin yung kay Jed, and this is the chili cheese flavor. So, yan siya. Ayan sure guys, ang chili cheese flavor nila. Okay. At ito nilagyan natin ng mayonnaise yung patty nila. Kakainin natin ito. So ito na guys, yung kanilang patty. Malaki siya guys. Furnish na. Gusto mo? Natin vegetable. Ito yung pagkain guys, the low carb way. How's the taste?
Matabang. Mamaya, try natin yan.
Okay na rin. Try natin ibang flavor later mo. For starter lang naman ito muna. So, maraming guys, kain muna tayo. Yeah. Kain muna kami. So guys, ito yung aming second order. This is the bacon cheese burger. Ayan siya. Bacon cheeseburger. Tapos, yung chicken wings ni Jed is Korean garlic.
Korean garlic.
So, yan guys. So, unlimited burger and chicken wings is real talaga dito sa Japan. So, kung hindi kayo low carber, mag-i-enjoy din kayo. But for me, kasi ako talaga, niwasan ko talaga yung fries and buns, no? But, talagang malaki at masarap naman yung servings nila dito. Kain muna kami, guys. So, how's the Korean barbecue? Mainit?
Sweet.
Okay. Yeah.
Tastes good.
Okay. So, ito naman titikman ko. I like the burger, the cheese, and the bacon together. This is the cheesy bacon burger, guys. Yan yung isa nag-i-enjoy dun sa Korean barbecue. Let's try na. Ayan guys, this is my third order. Quarter pounder nilang din ako kasi masarap yung lasa ng quarter pounder nila. Kaya lang, ayan guys, oh. Yung buns hindi ko nakain. Pero kanina kumain ako ng konti. And struggle ka talaga. Talagang yung 249 mo, sulit. Ang dami ng makakain mo dito kasi makapal naman yung buns nila. Even si Jed, struggling to finish the last chicken wings. Ayan, but anyways guys, I'm going to end my vlog here. Kung makapunta kayo dito sa Laong-Laan, so sa Manila, you can visit itong Japanese Burgers. And talagang sulit sila. So yan guys, another sharing of experience with you. Para kung naghahanap kayo ng cravings ninyo, ng burgers, mga kainan, ng wings, chicken. So this is one of the places that I recommend. Yung 249 nila is really legit only burger and only chicken wings. So yun guys, another sharing of experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.